Hi everybody, we are at day 3 where we are going to reach Dhanurasana with the help of few movements which is going to give us a good flexibility and mobility to our spine today. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let us start few movements for the spine. So let us start with the basic one. So first the basic one is where you keep your both the knee apart from each other okay, with one arm distance, and then here get your one arm plus one palm distance from knee to the palm. Now let us try cat and cow because that's the extreme basic thing. I would say for any kind of a spine movement you should start with cat and cow. So spine in, look up, inhale, and as you exhale round your shoulder. Inhale up, feel your spine moving all the way in and out. Exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. The last one, inhale up and exhale down. Come back to center. Now creating a circle with the help of the stomach, which also create a good circle in your spine. So now just try to move your spine to the right, spine in, to the left, spine out. Just create a circle. Right, back, side, and down. A slow but deeper movement. You can feel your lower back as well as your upper spine is just moving. And opposite side. Let's try the same thing the other side. Side, spine in, left, and round your shoulder. Take a help of the shoulder as well to stretch your spine accordingly. Third one. So let's do the last one more. And here you go. Exhale. Come back to center. Now the third one, where you're going to lie down on the floor. You're going to stretch your both the hands forward. First 5 counts, just let's try to put some pressure on the spine and lift your hands as well as your legs. So try not to bend your knee right now, just like inhale and exhale, move your hands and legs up and down. Let's do this just 5 times. 1, down. 2, lift your body up and down. 3, down. Last 2 counts, try to take your hand and leg slightly higher than the usual one. Don't bend your knee, just lift your thighs up. The last one. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Quick relaxation, just drop your eyes, close, just hold here for some time. Now let's start the next one. Here you're going to try the same thing, kind of Superman, but then you're going to move your hand and your leg one by one simultaneously, and you're going to do this slightly faster, which will create a bit of pressure in your spine. So let's see how to do that. Inhale and exhale. See, your spine is like stable and your hands and your shoulder is like slightly higher. Just continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your head down, quick relaxation. Breathe in, breathe out, just get your breath back to normal. Now, the next one, very similar concept where you lift your chest and thighs up Here you're going to keep your hands out. So inhale. So try to lift your leg up and try to spread your legs a little wider, and as you inhale you're going to lift your hands up and open up your chest, and you gather them together when you come down. Let's try this few times. Inhale, exhale. 2, lift your body as much as you can. 3, 4, 5, and down. Relax here, just try to be here for some time. So the next one, here keep your palm next to the chest, and here bend your knee. Keep your heels closer to the hip, okay? Take your palm in, keep your elbow inside, palm next to the chest. Try to lift your chest up to Bhujangasana. So let your thighs get a good stretch here. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up. Down. Up. Down. 4. Down. The last one. And come down. Drop your heels and toe down. Come to side posture. Stretch your arms out. Drop your head down. Relax. Now just to relax your spine after some good strong stretches, you need to do this, because in the end you make sure that you leave your spine relaxed, not like overstretched. Turn your palm to the right side. Feel the stretch here, just hold. Now let's try the other side. Come back to center. So the last one, the last movement what we tried is like pretty important and slightly beyond than the other ones. So try them few times. If you're not very comfortable, then you don't have to force yourself. Take yourself very mild and step by step. So practice them and let me know in the comments that how did you find it and how did you feel after practicing. I'll be looking forward for it. And now I'll see you tomorrow with day 4. Thank you so much. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.